In 2025, the messaging app landscape is evolving rapidly. With countless options available, which one stands out in terms of revenue potential? Let's explore how Telegram generates income compared to its competitors. What are the key differences in their revenue models? Engagement is crucial. We'll analyze active users and interaction rates on Telegram against its rivals. From premium subscriptions to in-app purchases, let's explore the monetization features offered by Telegram and its competitors. What are the advertising revenue potentials on Telegram versus other platforms? This is key for monetization. Telegram's business model fosters unique partnerships and collaborations. How does it compare to others? Privacy and security greatly influence user trust. We'll discuss how this impacts earnings potential. Looking ahead, what are the market trends that could affect the growth of Telegram and its competitors? User incentives play a crucial role in engagement. How do reward systems in Telegram compare to others? In conclusion, which messaging app offers the most potential for earnings in 2025? Let's summarize our findings.